Around the Earth? Yeah. You got a guess? How many miles? 1,000. A little bit more than that. Another guess?
Maybe 5,000.
Well, let me show you how many pounds the Earth weighs. It's a 1 and a 3, followed by 24 zeros.
13 pounds. I've never seen a nobody ever picked that.
Now a person, yes, and this man is a geologist too, or they explore to think about, is what's inside of the Earth. Okay? So the Earth is made up of rocks, and there's different kinds of rocks. And there's 3 different areas that we look at when we describe what's inside the Earth. The first one is the outside layer. It's this hot rocks down here where it's liquid. Yeah, where it's lava. And look, there's a crack, and it came up, and it well, that's a name for it. Yeah. And that's what we have right here is the beach. Okay? Now, after year, the same form every time Mother Nature creates them. Okay? So they're made the same every time. And then these minerals make up the rocks. Okay? And I want to show you some rocks, and then I'm going to pass these around. Okay? Now this rock is an igneous rock. The name of this igneous rock is granite. Did I say granite? Granite. Very good. And it's made up, look at that. Doesn't it? It looks like somebody cut it with a knife. Yeah. It's actually got 10 sides. Do you know what a 10-sided rock is called? It's called dodecahedron. Isn't that a funny name? That's the name of this crystal.
What is that called?
Darren, do you remember? And it's a garnet. Can you say garnet?
It's a crystal. He said it was a kind of quartz and it's purple. It's got different kinds of purple. And that's what makes it different, yeah.
That red stone is a garnet. And it would be made out of this type of stone. Well, we're going to pass this. Of course, you don't need a magnifying glass for that. You can see it, right? Okay, now we have a special
Because you probably don't feel good,
kind
honey.
of rock. Look at this. What does that look like?
A ball.
Yeah.
Like a Play-Doh rock.
Does it look like cauliflower?
Yeah.
In Illinois, in our state, in the river. I went out into the river and I picked it up. How do you think it got there? I put duct tape on this one. Well, because it kind of falls apart. This one, you can see inside of it, it's still got the hole.
Looks like baby food. No, it looks like baby carrot. No, it's baby carrot. Baby carrot.
Yeah, what do you see when you look closely? Do you see the
remember
different
what these are
layers?
called, boys and girls?
Little pieces of sand?
Yeah. And what's this called?
Geo.
Geo.
Sorry.
Geo.
She gets to see this. Yeah.
You want to take a look at it? You can pass that around.
No.
Geo. No, you can't eat that. But when he found them, if you open them up, you can see the crystals on the inside.
How?
Because it was the last part of the rock to cool. Now when rocks that are igneous rocks, when they cool very fast, their grains are real small. And when they cool slowly, it gives it time for the crystals to grow. See, Maggie's rock has a lot of big crystals. That's how big a rock could grow if it was given the right.
It was in the
Yes, it came right off of the mountain. Okay? It came right off the mountain, and that's why it's so rough. Now,
Look at him, is that
Show it to me.
okay, now we have some rocks here. Yes, sir.
Is it true that a piece of tree could turn?
Yes, it is. In fossils, animals or trees get buried
What is that called?
over a long, long period of time. They can actually turn into the rock.
What is that called?
Wishing rock? I don't know. I would have to look at it and study it. Wishing rocks can come from a lot of different places. Yes, ma'am. There's a lot of different rocks. There's 4,000 minerals. And any combination of those thousands of rocks. Yes, ma'am.
Can the rocks go back in time?
Yes. Yes. There's a certain element called